Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your baby girl Lushari. So yes guys, today is going to be like a busy day for me because I have like an event I'm going for by 5. It starts by 5 p.m. but I'm going to be there by like I'll leave house around like 12 1 I guess. But yeah, but first I'm going to tell you guys I'm going to tell you guys what I'm going to in a bit. But first I'm going to go get my clothes from the laundry guys now and also get a few things on the way back. Then I'll get dressed and then I'll come back to see you and then we'll be on our way. I have like some exciting news, you guys, and like I'm really happy because like this is okay my second time though, but like my first time with you guys. Do you get? So yeah, let me just head out and I'll be back. Hi guys, I'm back from the dry cleaners and yes, we're going to Upper Room Lagos. Yay! I'm so happy because I feel like this is going to be like a different, like it's going to give like a different vibe this month on. Like, I don't even know. Okay, I feel so because of the album that just dropped. Like, there's just this whole vibe, like a different energy that we are entering, and I cannot wait to go. Yes, and I will drop the link to the album on Spotify in the description. So if you've not listened to the album, please, this is what we call free opportunity. You get to listen to it. Yes, free access. You just click the link and it takes you direct there. Period. And then I'm going this by this time because of I'm a volunteer for Dunsin Oyekan Ministry. I said that in my Get to Know Me video. Yeah, if you've not watched it, go and watch it. Yes, so I have to go early. What am I saying? I'm in the Department of Facility Management, so we take care of the whole hall, arrange the chairs, sweep, mop, little things like that. So yeah, I'm really excited. And another thing again is that it's on the island now. They changed location to Victoria Island. It was formerly in Ikeja. Was it Ikeja? Yeah, no, Maryland, I guess. I can't remember. But yeah, that's on the island and I'm going there by train. Like I'm very, very excited that I get to vlog this whole process with and you guys can see it. Like I'm really happy. Ma, will I be to really train downstairs? Yes. Welcome. Okay.